What's up, guys? I just wanted to let you guys know that this video was totally out of the blue, so it's gonna start very abruptly. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I was just cooking and thought I would share what is going on in the kitchen. Okay, so stay tuned.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original.
Okay, so in the pan, I'm gonna go ahead and put some olive oil up in here and pour just enough to coat the pan. Kind of like have it twirl around some. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit there for a second. The reason y'all see these bags, these are bags that I just pre-packed. Grab it out. This have cabbage, kale, and broccoli up in them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this bag inside, well, not the bag. Which one? Kind of vacuum. Not make it fall now. Yeah, I'm okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this up inside the pot real quick. I'm gonna break this up to the best of my ability, so it can be easier to get in the pan. And I'm going to go ahead and just pour it in the pan. Just step back, it's going to stick a little bit. So I'm going to just go ahead and grab me a spoon and try to get the oil all over it. I'm going to go ahead and put the top on this and let it just sit there and do its job. And it's on medium heat, y'all. I'm gonna just let it do its job for a few minutes, for maybe like 15 minutes. I'm gonna let it do a job, or maybe like 10 minutes actually. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some butter. Like this right here is 2 tablespoons full of butter, but I'm only gonna cut that in half, and it's gonna be 1. Grab my little knife here. Cut that in half, put that in there. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. I'm gonna put a little bit more because that's kind of like slanted. Put that in there. Here's my measurer. This is a teaspoon. I'm gonna go ahead and add a full teaspoon of garlic. Full teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and I'm also taking some vegetable broth, and I'm just going to eyeball that. Shake it up. And I put about that much. So in here we have the tablespoon of butter, teaspoon of garlic powder, and crushed red pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and microwave it up so it can go ahead and get a nice smooth consistency, and then we'll add it to our greens. Okay, so this is the texture we were looking for. I'm just gonna stir it on up. This is the mixture right here. This is the goods, and it's not that much up in here, but let's get on over to our greens to see what's going on. As you can see from the cabbage, you know, cabbage make its own water, and then on top of that, this was rinsed off greens that I put up in there, but it's starting to look really good. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the lid off for a little bit just so it can kind of soak up some of that water, but it's looking really good. This mixture is so good, y'all, and I got this from Panda Express. It's like so good. Okay, so once a lot of the water has drained out, I just take my mixture here and just pour it all over. Just pour it all over. I take my spatula and just try to make sure I get it all over. Make sure it's evenly distributed. And the flavor, oh my gosh, it is just good, y'all. Y'all see that? Can y'all see that real good? Oh my gosh. And then for the salt, because I do add salt, I add everything, and with the salt I just salt to taste, because you know some people, everybody's salt intake is different, so I just add salt based off, you know, your taste buds. So yeah, this is my take on the green veggies that they have up at Panda Express. It is my current favorite. Once again, it is broccoli, kale, and cabbage all mixed together, sauteed together. It is so good. Trust me, you will not regret making this dish. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, please share with all your friends, and let them know. Look, I'm ready to share these little keto tricks. So I know this is a very, very short video, but I hope you all enjoyed it. Bye.
I go all in.